Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get a new primary care provider on Molina Healthcare. We will also put links in the description below for various insurance programs for you to sign up in case you are interested. To start, open the website molinahealthcare.com. Then click on Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see two options. Click on Member. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the right part of the page. Click on the option that says Change My Doctor. On this page, you will see your current doctor's information. At the lower part, you will see a button for Change My Doctor. Click on Change My Doctor. Now, you will see several categories. Click on Medical Care. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Primary Care. Click on Primary Care. Then you will be directed to this page where you will see the list of providers. After browsing, click on the Select button under the provider you wish to select. A pop-up window will appear asking to confirm the PCP you selected. To proceed, click on Confirm. That's how you get a new primary care provider on Molina Healthcare. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.